Yo, Zubmir, Van MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira, men. Kilala nyo na, walang iba. Kundi ako lang yun. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, men, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction video. Katulad nito, men, ito. Stripped version ng Room. Okay? Piano, organ, violin ba yan?
As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine.
Wait, men, si Stel ba to? Men, ito Wait, si Stel to, no? Hindi, wala naman siya nakalagay na featuring eh. Men, ito nagulat ako doon. Parang hindi ko ina-expect na kaya niyang parang ang tawag doon, naalala ko yung parang doble cara eh. Kaya niyang baguhin yung boses niya na parang sa babae, men. Parang ganun. Parang ganun ko siya na men. Parang dito sa unang parang kung pipikit ako, men, tapos hindi ko alam kung anong papatugtugin, mapapagkamalang kung female voice. Ganun ka, siguro ka flexible yung boses niya, men. Tama
As soon as I set foot and try.
Yeah, men. Ano talaga, men? Nakapikit ako kanina, men. Para talagang babae yung boses niya dito. Ganun siya kadoble cara, men. Kaya niya naalala ko kasi yun, men, sa ba yun? Sa Talentadong Pinoy ba yun? Yung magaling siyang kumanta, men. May hati siya dito. Yung isa nakapambabaeng suot dito. Tapos yung kabila parang Amerikana. Parang ganun, men. Magaling din yung kumanta. Tapos kaya niya, men, mag-change ng mga kanta, tapos yung isa babae, yung isa lalaki. Malupit yung nito, men, yung mahirap kasi yun eh. Mahirap siyang ipalitaw pag hindi talaga natural yung kumbaga parang natural born na siguro to kay Stel.
Make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. My oh mind. Come and get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gone in vain. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture.
Men, pag pumipikit talaga ako, hindi si Stel to, men eh. Parang ganun, men. May kakaiba talaga dun sa boses niya. Katulad nung mga naunang kanta, men. Kahit pumikit ako dun, men, alam kong si Stel yun. Pero ito, men, iba yung version nito. Siguro dahil nga sa ibang klase yung version nito. Yung isa kasi parang upbeat. Ito naman medyo malumanay, tapos meron din mga violin ba yun? Parang ganun.
Perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Okay?
Can you read the room? Can you read the room? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry.
Ano bang tawag min sa ganitong sa ganitong tunog? Ano ba 'yun? Parang classical ba 'yun? Classical yung tunog.
But I see you smile, but I sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. Say the crime if I send shivers down your spine. My oh my, forever bound you and I. Space, we don't gotta let time slow its pace. Fade up like us, now we're face to face. Tis the only answer. This energy is within me will never let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling.
Dito talaga men, dito sa version na to, dito talaga parang para sa akin men, na-emphasize yung ganda talaga ng boses niya men. Sa sobrang ganda men, hindi mo nga mapapagkamalang si Stel eh. Alam mo yung clear siya na parang ang sarap pag naka noise cancellation yung headphone mo. Kasi makikinig mo talaga yung tunog ng mga instrument na ginamit eh. Parang naka 3D siya eh. Parang ganun men.
Thrills me, I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Okay?
Can you read the room? Tell me, can you read the room? Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
You know? Woo!
No. Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you'd only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, cause I'm your everything. Can you read the room?
You know? Yung may mga bulong-bulong pa ng onti, no? Pag naka-headset ka ng yung buong buo talaga min yung ano, nakaganon siya eh, papaganon siya eh. Yung parang yung boses niya talaga mismo may nandito sa tenga mo, kaharap mo lang siya.
Read the room.
Read the room. Yeah.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Yun! Napaka-solid men. Napaka-solid din tong album na to ni Stel.